Welcome to my channel, Grandma Advice. Most guys think compliments are just about making a woman feel good. But what if I told you that the wrong compliment can actually make you forgettable? It's true. Most men give compliments that don't make an impact. Think about it. How many times do you think she's heard the words, "You're so beautiful. You have a great smile. You look amazing." These are sure, but they don't make her think about you long after the conversation is over. They don't make her feel a deep connection with you. And they definitely don't make you stand out from the other guys competing for her attention. The truth is, the best compliments are the ones that speak to her soul, not just her looks. They're the kind of compliments that make her stop, smile, and feel something real. So, in this video, I'm revealing 8 powerful compliments that women secretly love. Compliments that ignite attraction, build deep emotional connections, and make you unforgettable. If you want to know how to compliment a woman the right way, keep watching. Welcome to Stoic Edges. I'm Adam Stone, and on this channel, we dive deep into psychology, attraction, and the mindset of a high-value man. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification because I drop content every week to help you level up in relationships, confidence, and life. Now let's get into today's topic. There's an art to giving compliments, but most guys get it all wrong. They focus on the obvious things, like looks, instead of the things that actually matter. Here's the deal. Women want to feel understood, appreciated, and valued beyond their appearance. Compliments that focus on her character, personality, or will always stand out, more than generic compliments about her beauty. And when you know what to say and how to say it, you'll create a lasting impression that makes her think about you long after your conversation ends. So, let's break down the 8 most powerful compliments that women secretly love. I love how your mind works. A compliment that stands out. Most guys focus on surface-level compliments, telling a woman she's beautiful, pretty, or has a great smile. And while those compliments are nice, they don't make a woman stop and truly think about the person saying them. They don't make you memorable or spark a deeper emotional connection. But when you say, "I love how your mind works," you're doing something completely different. You're showing her that you see beyond the surface, that you admire her intelligence, her way of thinking, and how she possesses the world around her. This compliment does a few powerful things. It makes her feel truly valued. Most women crave recognition for their thoughts and ideas, not just their looks. By highlighting her mind, you're acknowledging a part of her that many men overlook. It sparks intrigue and attraction. When you tell someone, "I love how your mind works," it makes them wonder, what is it about my mind that I find so interesting? This curiosity leads to deeper conversations and connection. It sets you apart from other men. She's used to compliments about her appearance, but this one makes her feel special on a completely different level. To make this compliment even more powerful, be specific about what you admire in her mind. Instead of just saying, "I love how your mind works," you can say, "The way you see things is unique. You have a perspective that I've never heard before. You have such a sharp and creative way of thinking. It's really refreshing. The way you analyze situations and put things into words is amazing. You see things most people miss." When you give a woman this kind of compliment, it makes her feel truly seen, valued, and appreciated in a way that leaves a lasting impression. You may make everything more fun, a compliment that creates instant attraction. There's something powerful about being around someone who makes life feel lighter, more exciting, and more enjoyable. And when you tell a woman you make everything more fun, you're giving her a compliment that does more than just boost her ego. It makes her feel valued for the experience she creates. Unlike generic compliments about looks, this one focuses on something deeper: her energy, presence, and ability to bring joy into the moment. This compliment is so powerful because it makes her feel special. She realizes that she's not just another pretty face. You appreciate her personality and the way she enhances every situation. It builds a stronger connection. People naturally want to spend more time with those who make them feel good. When you tell her she makes everything more fun, she'll associate that feeling of joy with being around you. It makes her want to impress you even more. Now that she knows you love her fun, playful side, she'll be even more encouraged to show it around you to make this compliment even more impactful. Be specific about what you love about her energy. Instead of just saying, "You make everything more fun," you can say you have this incredible way of turning even the most boring situations into something exciting. I swear, even if we are stuck in an empty room, I know you'd still find a way to make me laugh. There's just something about you. Every time I'm around you, I have way more fun than I expect to. When she hears this, she'll not only feel good about herself, but she'll also start associating you with excitement, happiness, and great memories, which naturally strengthens your bond. 3. You have such incredible energy about you. Energy is magnetic when someone has a vibrant, uplifting, or intriguing presence. It naturally draws people in by telling a woman, "You have such an incredible energy about you." You're making her feel unique, captivating, and deeply valued. This compliment works because it highlights something intangible but powerful. Her energy is not just about her looks. It's about how she makes people feel. It sparks curiosity. She'll wonder, what is it about my energy that he finds so incredible? It creates an emotional connection. People remember how you make them feel and recognizing. Her energy makes her feel seen in a way most people overlook. To make it more personal, you can say the moment you walk into a room, the whole vibe changes in the best way. There's something about your energy. It's both calming and exciting. At the same time, you radiate this kind of confidence and positivity that's rare to find for. You're different from anyone I've ever met. This is one of the most intriguing and powerful compliments you can give. Why? Because people love feeling one of a kind. When you tell a woman you're different from anyone I've ever met, you're signaling that she has a unique quality that sets her apart from the rest. This phrase makes her feel special and unforgettable. She'll want to know what exactly makes her different in your eyes. See you as someone who truly pays attention. You're not just interested in her looks. You recognize her individuality. Be more invested in you. When someone knows they stand out in your mind, they naturally want to keep that connection alive to make it more impactful. Be specific. I've never met anyone who sees the world the way you do. It's honestly refreshing. You have such a unique way of thinking and expressing yourself. I love that. There's just something about you. You're not like anyone I've ever met in the best way possible. 5. I love how passionate you are about something she cares about. People are drawn to passion. When a woman speaks about something she truly loves, whether it's her career, a hobby, or a cause, it lights her up in a way that makes her even more attractive. By acknowledging that passion, you're showing her that you see and appreciate what drives her. This compliment is powerful because it validates what's important to her. You're not just admiring her looks. You admire what makes her excited about life. It makes her feel deeply understood. Most people don't take the time to recognize passion, so this compliment will stand out. It keeps the conversation flowing. She'll want to share more, deepening your connection to make it even better. Say, "The way your eyes light up when you talk about her passion is amazing. I love how dedicated you are to her passion. It's inspiring." It's rare to meet someone who's so deeply passionate about something. It makes you really interesting to be around. 6. You have an incredible presence. Some people command attention without even trying. They walk into a room and you can feel their presence if she has that quality. Letting her know will make her feel both powerful and deeply attractive. Why this compliment works? It boosts her confidence. She'll become even more aware of her own power. It makes her feel seen. Most people don't realize they have a presence until someone points it out. It sets you apart. While most guys comment on looks, you're complimenting her aura, confidence, and impact. You can say, "There's something about you that just makes people pay attention." Even when you're quiet, your presence is strong. You have this natural charisma that draws people in. 7. I love the way you make people feel comfortable. Note, everyone has the ability to make others feel at ease. If she has a warm, welcoming nature, pointing it out will make her feel deeply appreciated. This compliment is powerful because it highlights an emotional intelligence that many people overlook. It makes her feel valued for who she is, not just how she looks. It shows that you recognize kindness and authenticity, which builds trust. You can say you have this way of making people feel safe to be themselves. I've noticed how people open up around you. It's such a rare and beautiful quality. You have a warmth about you that makes people feel instantly comfortable. 8. You make me want to be a better man. This is one of the deepest and most meaningful compliments you can give. It tells her that her presence in your life inspires you to grow, improve, and evolve. Why it's so impactful? It makes her feel like a positive influence. She realizes that her actions and personality affect others in a powerful way. It deepens your connection. This kind of statement goes beyond surface attraction. It's about personal transformation. It makes her feel special and unforgettable. If a woman knows she's inspiring you to be your best self, she'll naturally want to be a bigger part of your life to make it even more meaningful. Say, being around you makes me want to level up in every way. You inspire me to think bigger, work harder, and be a better version of myself. I've never met someone who makes me reflect on myself in such a powerful way. If you found these insights valuable and want to keep improving your connections with women, make sure to subscribe to Stoic Eyes so you never miss out on powerful strategies that elevate your confidence and relationships. Also, let me know in the comments which of these compliments have you used before, or which one are you excited to try. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. It truly helps the channel grow and reach more people like you who are committed to self-improvement. Thank you for watching. Stay confident, stay intentional, and I'll see you in the next video.